that's the breakdown of a beautiful song by Moses Bliss. So beautiful. So normally the song is in the key of, I think, G sharp. Okay, so but we are playing on C transpose. Okay, that's C transpose. All right, so it's a very simple line. All right, I'm gonna start with the intro. All right, so I'm using my my perfect octave. All right, perfect octave means you are moving from the same key to the same key. Like for example, I'm using this E to E. All right, so I move to E to C. All right, so mi do ti la, now la sol mi, now re mi sol. All right, let's try again. I'll do it slowly. Mi do ti la sol mi re mi sol. All right, so when you do that video, you play this with your left. So mi do. All right, you play broken chord A minor, mi sol. All right, go to the 4. 1. So, all right, so the chord line, that was kind of the melody. So the chord line is 6. All right, 6, that's A minor. Now F major. All right, 1 is C major, and we go to G major. All right, same chord progression. 4, 1, and 5. All right, guys. So it's a very simple chord progression. All right. So there's another part that they sing. There's a casting, well, something when there's what they play something. When there's a casting down, there's a lifting up. When there's a casting down, so now. Alright, so it's do, re, mi, so, ti, so, la, ti. You say do, re, mi. Why remain on do? So, la, ti. Then you enter back. Zoe, Zoe, 6. Zoe. I got the life of God. Zoe, Zoe, I got the love of God in me. When it's my lifetime, oh, 6. When it's my lifetime, oh, when it's my lifetime, when it's my lifetime, oh. Right, so guys, that's a breakdown of the song. I hope you learned something. That's all about the song. Very straight, simple, and awesome. Do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.